Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to give you guys a quick update on our Multistrada V4S. So as you all know, the V4S went to the dealer. From the previous video about the V4S issue that I uploaded, which is I'll put the link in the description below, it leaked again. That was the second time that happened, and then Ducati dealership picked it up here, brought it to their dealer. They pretty much checked what's wrong, and they were giving me an update at least every week. They're letting me know what's happening. There was a time that they called me. They said it's all good. The bike, it's all all together. They will start doing the test ride, testing, all that stuff. And I believe after a day or two, they called me again. They said the bike is still leaking. Now I think what they did is reported to the corporate level on what's happening, because obviously they have a checklist on what they have to do with the bike, right? Obviously they did all that, and now they just told the corporate that, hey, the bike is still leaking, what do you want us to do, right? So now the corporate level, they send out 2 employees from, I believe, California. One tech, which is, I believe, one of the head guys for the tech, and one guy is like a regional manager or something. And yeah, they came down here for a day and they checked the bike. The regional manager talked to me, and they're trying to fix stuff, right? They're trying to make it right. The tech that came from the corporate level said it's all good. It's not gonna leak again. We guarantee you'll be safe. You're gonna have fun again. You're gonna ride it more or whatever. I said okay. They finished the bike up, and then I believe February. Let me check my list. I believe February 10. February 10, I was able to get this bike, right? And I was making videos, observation, and all that stuff for another content that I will give you guys for an update, right? I was riding it. When I sent the bike to the dealership, it was only 1200. When I got it back, it's 14. So I know that they did their thing to really ride the bike to figure out if it's gonna leak again. Sure enough, it didn't leak. So they gave it back to me, and I was riding it all good. I was riding it every day. And then I was about to give you guys an update already, and then yesterday it leaked again. Now this is the 3rd time that it leaked. All right, I will show you guys. When they released the bike to me, the whole engine part, they left the powder. I don't know what did they use. There's some powdery stuff in the engine, I think, just to detect the leak right away, or easier if ever it happened again. So they gave me an instruction pretty much not to wash the bike like on the lower part. So I was just wiping it up here. So, and they told me at least give it 30 days or even more, just don't soak it in water. I thought it was all good, but this is the 3rd time it happened. And I will show you the photos. I will insert the photos here. And it started leaking at the same area, as you can see by the head, and it's dripping down by the exhaust and all the way to the skid plate. So with this powder on here, it was easier for me to tell where it's coming from. And then when I took this picture, I sent it to Ducati right away. I sent it to the corporate level, and obviously they will fix it again. They said they will make it right. So I don't know. I don't know how are they gonna make it right. So right there, guys. So this is the powder. This is the powder that they put there, right? and this is where the leak is mainly coming from. So by looking at it, obviously we know where it's coming from, right? Again, from the previous video, it kind of sucks, right? It's a brand new bike. You purchase an expensive bike so that you have peace of mind, you know, that you'll be able to use. But this is happening for the third time. What would you do? You know, I just wanna see like how other guys or how other motorcycle people will handle this kind of situation. Okay. As of now, I'm working really close with Steve. He's been a good guy, helping me a lot. That's the Ducati Las Vegas employee. I'm interested to know, what do you guys think? You know, it's a good bike. You know, I rode it again from February 10. I've been riding it and taking videos, clips, you know, so I can make the update, you know, the good update. But unfortunately, the update that I'm giving you right now is not that good. But yeah, so we're just waiting for the truck to arrive. They're gonna bring this to the dealership again. We're gonna go there, talk to some people, and yeah, hopefully I can give you guys an update. I don't know what's gonna happen next, to be honest, but at this point I'm not really worried about it. I'm just praying for it. Let God do the work. So right there, the bike is loaded up. He's just securing the bike. So we're just gonna wait for an update now, see what the dealership says. Thank you guys. I hope you have a good day. See you again on my next video. Peace.